Yeah, what the fuck, dude?
That was a spitter, Russ. You gonna stop that out? Stop it out this time.
There's a fire in here. There's a fire in here.
She made that up.
Yeah, no, there's not, dude. We're gonna have to put that out. Hey, hey, somebody get in here, quick. There's a fucking fire in here. No, not blowing on. Dude, you can't put a pot on it. You fucker. You gotta put water on it.
No, don't put water on it.
Why?
It's an electric stove. Oh my god.
Alright, hey! We gotta do something about this right over here. Hey! Hey! Alright, fuck. You gotta do something about this.
Time out.
It's an electric stove and there's a fire. What do you do? What do you do?
Put baking soda on it.
Baking soda?
Yeah.
Not Gatorade.
Got it. Yeah.
Alright, or that.
Oh,
Okay,
you gotta turn this on to high. This is a high. We're fine. Water balloon.
No water. No water.
It's fine, dude. Turn the water off.
Alright, now it's smoke. Yeah, leave the door open. Leave that door open.